Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate, and we got another listing back on the market. Tell us a little bit about it, Alice.
Yes, this property, it was on the market. The seller got deployed, took off the market, and there it goes. Hurricane hit, and he got some damage. So he just decided that it's not worth his time to fix it up. He just wanted out because guess what? Military. He got deployed again, and is gonna be out of town soon. So we decided to do a price reduction, and
it's probably gonna require a cash buyer on this one. So if you guys have a property that you're in a similar situation where maybe you're getting some insurance money in and you just don't want to make the repairs on your home, there's a bunch of investors, and there are also other people that are handy with their own abilities to fix up a home that are looking for homes right now. So
let us get you the most money for your property. Call us. We can come in, give you a CMA of what the property market value should be right now, and get you some marketing out there and get a pool of investors to jump in and make you a good offer.
Yes, and speaking of investors, they're all business people, so don't grab just the first offer that comes your way. Let us help you get the most money possible for your property if you're thinking about moving on from your home that sustained some damage. We'd love to help you with that.
Yeah, so this property on Boat Race, 5821 Boat Race Road. It's in a corner lot, has a big yard. No fencing anymore, no trees either. But hey, is a good piece of property. The interior is
still really cute. Check out some of these pictures from when we previously had it listed. It still looks the same inside, still really cute. Just trees down outside. So when you see the pictures from the outside, it's gonna look a little bit different. So you could do a drive-by, or there's a couple of photos here that you'll probably see right about now that show what the yard really does look like now.
Okay guys, our contact information is below. Let's give us a call.
And we'll talk to you next time, I guess.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, and if you speak Portuguese,
yeah, call me. I can help you too.
You want to say that in Portuguese?
Me liga, eu também posso te ajudar.
Isn't that cute? All right, talk to you guys next time.
Bye-bye.